I would like to thank China alone for helping us. And initially the 10 billion investments that they promised, where in the world could you find? China promised to build 2 bridges dito sa Manila, libre, gratis. I'm some ambassadors there. I went to China, I said, Xi Jinping, I'm here to shake your hand. I am not asking for anything. I just want to trade with you because you seem to be far away. And I said, because you stick your foreign policy seems to be just a dovetail of what America wants. So I said, I will adopt a non-aligned foreign policy. But I would like to trade with you, and please help us. So we are getting a relief now from our hardships because a lot of money is coming in.